what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Justine Leymer and here on YouTube I love to talk about social media and I show you how to create amazing and unique content. So if you want to see any of my future uploads, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into today's video. In today's video, guys, I wanted to share with you the 6 equipments you need to start your YouTube channel now. And I could tell you all the things about you can start with your phone, you don't need this or that, and this is true, you don't. You can start with whatever you have. However, if you are not scared to get better things for not as expensive, watch this video. You know what? Before I even go into all the equipments that you need to start your YouTube channel now, we are going to go on my calculator and we are going to take everything that I'm going to talk about, every products I'm going to show you in this video, and we're going to see how much it will cost you. Oh, we have this, okay. Everything that I am going to share today to start your YouTube channel now is going to cost you less than $1,000. Yes, camera included. So let's go to number 1, which is obviously the camera, and I'm going to show you what I'm using right now to make this video for less than $1,000. You don't need to spend $3,000 on the best camera ever that takes the best pictures in the world, okay? I am using the Canon EOS M50 that costs me only $600. Okay, it's still a lot of money. But for what I got, I have a really functional camera that is able to get external microphone, has a flipping screen. I took wonderful pictures also with it, and the quality of my videos are amazing. This camera is also really light. You can change your lens. So let me show you on a mirror. Okay, so I just realized that I don't have any mirror that is not in my bathroom. So the lighting is going to be extremely orange and I'm very sorry. Alright, so this is the camera. Flip screen over here that you can turn your way so you can see, and as I told you, you can add external microphone. Alright, let's go to number 2. Number 2 is lighting. You will need some umbrella lights because lighting is the most important part of filming a video. You don't want your video to be all dark and you can see anything, and trust me, it doesn't matter how good is your camera. If the lighting sucks, quality sucks. Mine are from Amazon, the Limo Studio one. I'm going to show you how I set them up right now. And so this is the result. My lights are here. So I have one that goes on my side of my face here, and I have one that is more like in the front, so the lighting change right away, and I have one on my back behind my seat to eliminate that shadow. Those lights are $56, the 3 set of lights. Check them out. Number 3 is tripods. Okay, I have 2 kinds of tripods. One is my, I guess, big one tripod, the tripod that I do everything usually with, and the other one is the handle tripod that I use for vlogging. This tripod is nice if I don't want to bring my big tripod. I can put my camera on it, and I also bought recently phone holder that I can put in both of my tripods, so that's really nice when I want to take a quick video. That thing came with that little remote and take pictures from afar. And so my handle one was $20. I looked on Amazon and it's not available anymore. It's out of stock, currently unavailable, but I've seen that there's others that are really similar to the one I got, all between $15 to $20, and the Amazon one that is just behind me here, that one can extend. It can be really high. Really like it. My favorite tripods for the price because it's only $26. I think this is the first thing that I got, a tripod. I had my camera, my first camera that I bought, the Lumix FZ82, and I got it with that tripod that you just saw. Number 4, this is an equipment. I would more say that's software. This is something that you'll need definitely to start your YouTube channel now. You'll need a software to edit your videos. So I am an Apple gal, use iMovie. If you want to know how I edit my videos on iMovie, you can check that video right here, or I will put that video in the description down below. But you can also do that. I don't know how Microsoft is like, what is the name of it in Microsoft? Movie Maker. Software is free, you will need one, so try that. Anyways, number 5, SD cards. You will need tons of SD cards. Okay, you don't need tons of SD cards, but basically this is where I storage my SD cards, showing you right here. I am using a little pocket, and in this pocket I put on my SD card. Right now in my Canon I have a SD card of 64 GB. I also have a 32. It depends on what I'm doing with my camera. If I only take pictures, I know that it's not gonna be a tons of pictures, I will use 16. If I am going to the parks and I do a little bit of video or do a lot of photos, I will use my 32. But to film my YouTube videos, that sometimes I talk a lot and show a lot of things, I am using a 64 GB, and that 64 GB SD card is only $11 on Amazon, so it's super cheap and you have a lot of storage if you do sit down videos like me. And finally, the last but not least, external microphone. So this is what I really like with the Canon EOS M50, is that you have the possibility to add an external microphone. And I love my cute external microphone. It's actually work really well. I believe the microphone on that camera is already really good. However, my house is not totally full of furniture yet, and so the echo is really bad, so I needed an external microphone to block out those echo. That's the job. It works really well and I really like it, and it only cost me $60 for an external microphone, and this is a Rode one. That's the job. It's small, it's not heavy. I think the sound is perfect. Another great addition to what you could get to start your YouTube channel now. With all of that and the price that I showed you, if you wanted to start your YouTube channel today with the 6 equipments that I just talked about, it will cost you $774.49. It's $774, okay? It's okay. If you can't, you can't. Anyway, let me know down below what will be your first purchase after watching this video to start your YouTube channel now. Don't forget to like this video if you learned something today, and don't forget to subscribe to never miss any of my future uploads. And until next time, take care. Bye.